Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to block YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on YouTube app. Okay, choose on any videos or channel. Okay, just tap on three dot option and click on not interested. Just tap. Okay, click on videos, tap on your settings option, click on channel, then tap on three dot option and hide user from my channel. Just click, then blockade this person. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.